All right, Blade 2018 Diskin USA booth. I'm Joe Parony. I'm here with Matt's new double action auto. This is the most refined version yet. Knife works all day long like a regular locking folder. You can engage it by hand. If you want to open it in a hurry, slide the bolster. Double action auto. Titanium chassis, titanium through hardware, thrust bearing. Pocket clip is set into a channel that it doesn't wiggle or ever get loose. Just a totally refined, beautiful knife. Ready? Good?
Why is this better than the other ones?
I mean, everything's an evolution. Matt's just refined all the working parts to make it just seamless and work beautifully. You know, it's a very smooth, for a double action auto, I believe the best value at the show.
Okay. Hold it down here. Let's just do, could you open and close it some more? I'll try and get some close-ups.
Any luck at all, I'll be the proud owner of an hook at the end of the show. Double Hamon you got going on there.
Ready?
I said I don't know anybody that does Hamons that look as sharp.